Now welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to customize the ads that you see on YouTube. First thing you need to do is tap on YouTube app, and then you tap on the U icon at the bottom, then you tap on the gear icon on the top, then you tap on your data in YouTube, and the next thing you're going to do is scroll down until you see personalized ad. Then you tap on the arrow, make sure it is turned on. Next thing you're going to do is scroll down until you see customize the ads that you see. Here you get to choose topics and brands that you're interested in. So tap on customize ads. And then we're going to start with the ad. Just tap on see all. So you can have access to all the trending topics, brands, and the sensitive ones. So let's start with the trending topics. So you can see them. Anyone you do not want, you tap on the minus icon. The ones you want, you tap on plus. Let's say I don't want business. Let's say I don't want loans. So it's definitely be on minus. Can you see? So you see fewer ads about that topic. Let's say I want beverages. Tap on the plus, and then more ads about that topic will be headed your way. Next thing I'm going to do, after going through everything, then go to trending, can sort by most popular, put the name if you want, then go for brands next. So you can see the brand. If you want to get adverts from Coca-Cola company, tap on the plus. If you don't, tap on the minus. On Glovo, University of Texas, YouTube. So I don't want from any of them. So I will see fewer ads from those brands that I chose. Next, you go for sensitive. Alcohol, do you want to see ads from them? If you don't, it's be limited. Once you turn it off, it means ads on that topic will be limited. Dating, pregnancy and parenting, weight loss. You can see I've turned off the ones I do not want to see ads on. So it depends on you. You can limit them. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful.